Hello and welcome back. So today in this video we're going to take a look at a change in Python starting at version 3.7 where they actually made the dictionary ordered by default. So we looked at a previous data type video where the dictionary did not come out ordered, so you weren't guaranteed which would be the first element. That has actually changed since 3.7. So the way we're going to do this, we're going to take a look at it using Docker images. It's an easy way to set up different environments. So we're going to spin up one Docker image in Python 2.7, which is going to give us a legacy version. And we're going to go ahead and run Python 3.9, which is the current version of Python. It'll actually be 3.9.4, and we're going to run that in another Docker image. And what we'll do is set an interactive shell using the IT and load ourselves into bin bash. So we have a bash prompt here, and we're going to open up the Python interactive shell on both versions, and we'll take a look and we see that we have 2.7.18 on one and 3.9.4 on the other. Alright, so now we need to create a dictionary object. So we're going to call it myDict, and we're going to populate that with a name and an age. So that way we have some different element types. And in the first one we'll put our name as Paul and our age as 5. Okay, store that off and go into the other shell, Python 3.9.4. We're going to do the same thing, and we're going to use the same values for consistency's sake. That way we can identify any notable differences, and it won't be in what's added to the dictionary object. Alright, very good. So now we have both the same object, and we'll go ahead and print those out. We actually don't need the parentheses in 2.7. But if we notice, we have age first and then name. We do need the parentheses in 3.9.4, so again, for consistency, we're going to do it the same way. And we'll print out the object there, and name comes first as entered, so we can predict the output of the elements in the object. Alright, very good, and we'll close out of here, and we have seen that Python has now guaranteed the order of our dictionary object in recent versions. We'll close out and get rid of our Docker images. And clean up our test environment here. Alright, excellent. And we get over to everything, and I'd like to thank you for watching and invite you to come back and check for new content regularly.